The one thing that confuses a lot of new HK machine gun owners is how to change the ejector lever on a burst pack lower. So here we have a sear-ready 4-position 3-shot lower set up by Terry Dyer for an HK MP5K sear gun. The first step would be to rotate the selector to one of the firing positions. Then you would press down on the trip lever, which releases the hammer. Next you would pull the trigger so the hammer moves completely forward. This exposes the release lever for the left side selector lever axle. So we're going to press down on that. We're going to rotate the left side selector all the way around until it points directly at you and pull it out. When you flip it around, the right side selector comes off really easily. Now you're ready to pull the trigger group out of the lower housing. You'll notice on this one it has a Fleming H-sear installed and a 9mm ejector lever held in by a pivot pin. So we're going to take a punch and we're going to push that pivot pin out. Notice right here there is an ejector lever spring. Make sure you don't lose that. We're going to place a 223 ejector lever in its place, replace the pivot pin, and we're ready to go. One thing that I do recommend though is that you replace the hammer spring with a 308 hammer spring. This will eliminate any light primer strikes you may have when you're firing 223 or 308. Next you take a new lower. This one will work on an MP5, most of the 223 and 308 guns. Place the trigger pack back in its place, spin it around, press down on the release lever, slide the left side selector lever back into the gun, spin it around, put the right side selector lever back on until it snaps, press down on the release lever again, spin the selector lever around into one of the 4 positions, and you're ready to go.